Dear students, welcome to our class on Agromet Advisory. Agromet Advisories Advances 5. In this class, we are going to study information requirement for Agromet Advisory Service or Agromet Advisory Bulletin. Non-spatial information. In the non-spatial information, soil, crop, weather and weather sensitive package of practices. Spatial information, of course, certain base maps of the location or region. Then information bank for Agromet Advisory Services and Agromet Advisory Bulletins. These are the things that we are going to study. Please see that, please understand it is we, the agrometeorologist, responsibility to give the farmer the best information to raise his agriculture crops, horticulture plantations, animal rearing, etc. Say for example, you take agricultural crop. We, the agrometeorologist, no other scientist would give what is the exact date of sowing. The exact date of sowing determine the variety to be chosen by the farmer. From there, once the farmer sows the crop, if heavy rain is occurring, it is just washed away. Or weather is very good at the time of sowing. After that, if any drought is there, what all the efforts that he had put on the preparatory cultivation, primary tillage, secondary tillage, seed bed preparation, sowing, etc. goes waste because the crop dries. So, if rain occurs, crop is washed away. If rain doesn't occur after the sowing, the crop gets dried. So, from then onwards, the crop, it is we, the agrometeorologists, it is our responsibility. No other scientist will take care. Good intervals of clear weather, we should advise the farmers. So when it is possible. Why? For sowing, after sowing, weeding, intercultivation. Then during the vegetative growth, there should be rain on one side, there should be clear days on the other side for the leaf area index to reach the optimum level. Then when it comes to the flowering, during the flowering there must not be any cloudy weather. We should ensure that farmers' crop pass through that stage. It is our responsibility to predict perfectly and tell why. If cloudiness is there during the flowering stage, flower drop will occur. Abortion of pollen, abortion of non-functioning of any reproductive organs of the crop goes waste. So farmer won't get anything. Then comes the maturity stage. During that maturity stage, too high temperatures damage the crop. Too low temperatures delay the maturity, quality is reduced. Then after doing all these things, when the crop comes to the harvesting, every paisa that he had spent from his pocket to feed our hungry goes waste if rain occurs. So we should give excellent weather forecast to the farmer at that time. Then if any perishable products are there, tomatoes or say any brinjal or any vegetables, or you can say leafy vegetables, he has to take it to the market. While taking to the market, he should have a clear weather so that if any floods or cyclones are there, all his efforts go waste. So that's why we should have an excellent information on non-spatial information, spatial information, information bank for AAS. So what is the non-spatial information? As I have already told, non-spatial information, this is the information requirement. Soil, crop, weather and weather sensitive package of practices information. Now, so what is the spatial information? Spatial information include base maps. What are the base maps? Base maps include the base maps include demarcated boundaries of the agroclimatic zone, major soil types, of course contours if any, distribution of climatic factors, major crops, land use, locations of important mass communication centers, important railroad, etc., irrigation network. So these are the maps that if any even officers enter, farmers, they should feel that they have that base information, that is spatial information. Non-spatial information, definitely I have already told. Finally, the information bank for AAS. The information bank for Agromet Advisory Services starts from general information, that is the area of the agroclimatic zone, population, latitudinal, longitudinal extents, topography, area covered by the forest, soil characteristics, as you know, major soil types, physiochemical properties, nutrient status, etc. Crop information, different types of the crop, different package of practices that are weather sensitive package of practices, and philological information, what stage the crop, which crop is sensitive to what, whether it is sensitive to nutrient, whether it is sensitive to water or anything, and of course irrigation facilities that are available, that means source of irrigation, IED, irrigated dry crops or drought, dryland crop. Okay, so climatic data, as I said, weather information is very, very important. Then finally, pests and diseases which are frequently occurring in that area, and weather sensitive agriculture operations. So this is what is the information that we should provide to the farmers. That's why I am telling it as advanced S5. Truly, Agromet Advisory Service are serving excellent. They are going to serve. You should learn all these things. That's why I am covering in a series. Thank you very much. May God bless you.